is Alifa.
Hello, my name is Mauren.
We have a presentation about the Nile.
The Nile River in Africa is the longest river on Earth. The Nile flows along 6,630 kilometers or 4,132 and divided no less than 9 countries, namely Ethiopia, Zaire, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Sudan, and Egypt. And 3 main tributaries are the White Nile, the Blue Nile, and the Atbara.
The Nile River contains several animals such as the hippopotamus, turtles, fish, and crocodiles. The character in the Nile almost every year is the 350 people on the banks of the river. The Nile River also has many important uses in everyday life such as walking, drinking, bathing in power plants, and the Egyptians built pyramids using large stones and uses the river to flood the large stone.
There is a hypothesis that suggests that the Nile may have first been formed nearly 6 million years ago, when the watershed connected to the East African Rift was formed. In addition, when it reaches the Mediterranean, the land on the Nile is subjected to a slope of up to 1.5 kilometers, almost a mile, so that the river does not change course in a long period of time without this geological effect. The Nile River would have long shifted to the west, influenced the history of human civilization, especially in North Africa and the Middle East.
On the other hand, the Nile is a river that flows through various areas and with different climates. In the upstream area, the Nile River originates and flows from an area with a tropical climate and high land, then bypasses some of its other such in semi-tropical areas, then passing through the mountain valley area with a subtropical climate.
The soil of the Nile River delta between El Kahira, Cairo, and the Mediterranean Sea is rich in nutrients. Due to the large silt deposit the Nile leaves behind as it flows into the sea. The banks of the Nile along its vast length contain rich soil as well, thanks to annual flooding that deposits silt. From space, the contrast between the Nile's lush green riverbanks and the barren desert through which it flows is obvious.
For millennia, much of Egypt's food has been cultivated in the Nile Delta region. Ancient Egyptians developed irrigation methods to increase the amount of land they could use for crops and support a thriving population. Beans, cotton, wheat, and flax were important abundant crops that could be easily stored and traded.
The Nile river delta was also an ideal growing location for the papyrus plant. Ancient Egyptians used the papyrus plant in many ways, such as making clothes, books, and rope, but by far its most important use was making paper. Besides this, using the river's natural resources for themselves and trading them with others. Early Egyptians also used the river for bathing, drinking, recreation, and transportation.
Today, 95% of Egyptians live within a few kilometers of the Nile. Canals bring water from the Nile to irrigate farms and support kitchens. The Nile support agriculture and fishing. The Nile also has served as an important transportation route for thousands of years. Today, some presidents, El Qatar, Cairo have begun using private speed boats, water taxis, or ferries to avoid crowds themselves as when hike them in speed have been built to help to tame the river and provide a source of hydroelectric power.
However, the silt and sediment that used to flow north, ensuring the soil and building the delta, is now building up behind the dam instead. Instead of growing in size through the soil deposit, the delta is now shrinking due to erosion along the Mediterranean Sea. In addition, routine annual flooding no longer occurs along parts of the Nile. These floods were necessary to flush and clean the water of human and agricultural waste. As a result, the water is becoming more polluted.
From from us
That's all from us. Thank you and goodbye.
that's all from us. Thank you and bye.